Making money online has become more accessible than ever, but it requires effort, consistency, and the right strategies. There are numerous ways to earn online, depending on your skills, interests, and investment capacity. One of the most popular methods is freelancing, where platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and video editing. Freelancers can earn anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars per month, depending on experience and demand. Another great way to generate income is by starting a YouTube channel. By choosing a profitable niche like tech, finance, beauty, or gaming, and consistently uploading engaging content, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube monetization and start earning. Similarly, blogging is a great option for those who enjoy writing. By creating a blog on platforms like WordPress or Blogger and publishing SEO-optimized content, you can earn through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Blogging requires patience, but over time, it can become a steady source of passive income. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative way to earn online by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. You can sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale, and promote products through a blog, YouTube, or social media. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing high-ticket products and building trust with your audience. Selling online courses and ebooks is also a profitable business model. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to create and sell courses on subjects you are knowledgeable about, generating passive income with minimal ongoing effort. For those interested in e-commerce, dropshipping is a business model that requires little to no investment in inventory. You can set up an online store using Shopify or WooCommerce and sell products directly from suppliers without handling storage or shipping. Print-on-Demand is another e-commerce model where you design custom products like t-shirts and mugs, and platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printify handle production and delivery. Both methods have high earning potential if marketed effectively. Investing in the stock market and cryptocurrency is another way to generate wealth, though it carries risks. By learning about trading strategies, long-term investments, and market trends, you can earn significant returns on your investments. Platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, Binance, and WazirX provide opportunities to trade stocks and crypto assets. However, it's important to invest wisely and not risk money you can't afford to lose. If you prefer a stable income, remote jobs and virtual assistant roles can be a great choice. Many companies hire remote employees for tasks like customer support, data entry, and tech support, allowing you to work from home. Platforms like FlexJobs, Remote.co, and We Work Remotely offer remote job listings for people with various skill sets. Another passive income opportunity is selling stock photos and videos. If you have a good camera and photography skills, you can upload your work to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. Every time someone downloads your content, you earn a commission. This method requires consistent effort in uploading high-quality images, but can generate income over time. To maximize your online earnings, learning high-income digital skills is crucial. Skills like copywriting, SEO, web development, digital marketing, and AI-based automation are in high demand and can help you secure well-paying projects or start your own business. The more valuable your skills, the higher your earning potential. Ultimately, making money online requires dedication, learning, and consistency. If you want quick earnings, freelancing and remote jobs are the best options. If you're looking for long-term passive income, YouTube, blogging, and affiliate marketing are ideal choices. For those interested in running a business, e-commerce and dropshipping can be profitable ventures. High-risk options like stock trading and crypto investing can offer significant returns but require market knowledge. With the right approach, anyone can build a successful online income stream and achieve financial independence.